Hi Cancer, this is your next 7 days reading starting from the 20th to the 26th of May 2025. What's coming to you? Let's look at that. So, in your environment, you have many energies encircling you, they are impacting you. Through the tarot cards, I am going to look at what is going to impact you and what is going to help you to get out of any difficulty that might come to you. So, in your environment, what is happening at this time is the Eight of Swords. So, Eight of Swords could be miscommunication between two people, like you and the opposite side. This could be in love, this could be in your career situation, this could be, a fear of some sort which is connected to someone else. So this is not the correct picture. What is happening is you could be preempting fear, you could be getting too much in your mind, or there could be a person who is feeling like this. So there is a possibility that not a clear communication is not happening, or you could be gripped in some kind of fear, and that fear could be of conflict and defeat, that fear could be of deception and envy. But in this time period, with the King of Cups energy, you are emotionally intelligent, and very soon you will see in this week with the Ace of Wands and the Eight of Wands, there is flow of information, there is flow of new ideas, motivation, there is going to be some good news coming towards you. You just have to hold on to yourself, your integrity at this time. So what's coming to you is that in this present moment you are feeling the Nine of Wands energy. This could be fire in your chart. This reading is for the sun sign, moon sign, rising sign of Cancer. So you could be having fire in your chart, and your energy at this time presently is the Nine of Wands. Despite the fear in the mind, despite someone not giving you clarity, you could be worrying too much, but with the Nine of Wands you are standing strong, you are digging in your heels, you are going to pursue something with all your might, you are going to show bravery and courage at this time. So the only problem is that there could be someone younger than you could be taking things very lightly at this time with the Page of Cups in the obstacle position. So Page of Cups in the obstacle position could be some news not coming in, some improvement not happening, something you were expecting is not coming in, or could be connected with someone younger than you, or the feeling of enthusiasm or love is not coming to you. But in this time period with the Temperance and the Three of Cups, your situation is going to improve internally and externally. With the Temperance, you will be able to externally, you will be able to negotiate with other people, you will be able to see some new direction, you will be able to dilute or moderate your energies with others. So there is going to be adaptability through patience. And with the Three of Cups, there is going to be some coming together or reunion of some kind of light frothy energy of connecting with people that is going to bring in good humor, good energy, and feeling of bonhomie. So there is going to be a situation that is going to improve in this time period, whether it is your health, whether it is your personal life, connected to your romantic feelings with someone else, or it is about your job or career situation that could be going through some turmoil. But you are very strong in this time period, and you are healing in your energies, and you can look forward to solution of problems and healing in your situation. So underlying energy is the Justice. So Justice will bring the correction. So justice is all about a legal situation getting itself sorted. It could be some kind of contract that you are expecting, that will come to you. Justice in some way or form will be in your situation, and it will be affecting your situation. So anything wrong that was done to you, anything wrong that you were feeling, the feeling was like, I am in some kind of lack, I am in some kind of deficiency. So that deficiency, that lack, you are going to make sure with the Nine of Wands you are fighting it off. And with the Justice card, you will get some karma justice in this time period. Everything that you are doing will bring in some kind of fruition or finality. That is what I am saying. So don't worry about your situation, things will work out for you. So in terms of your job situation, what is happening in job, career, money, finance, you could be in Five of Cups, you have gone through. So Five of Pentacles, Five of Cups is in the picture. So there is some kind of lack, frustration, problem in your situation connected to your money or finances or your career. But with the Ten of Wands, this burden is coming to an end. So the disadvantage is coming to an end, or a difficult arduous journey in your money making is coming to an end. So with the Star card and the Eight of Pentacles, something new will come up and you will embrace it immediately. You will work hard on it. With the Eight of Pentacles, that is working with a craft of yours or a skill of yours, showing your expertise, working in detail, putting in all the effort, whether it is new education, new course, or some kind of craft or work, or authorship of some sort, some kind of skill you work on. Some of you are very skilled, so you will be doing very well, creating a foundation for yourself with your hard work. And with the Star card, angels are asking you to be optimistic in your work or career situation. So this could be new profession, new work, enhancement of work, and working very hard for it. And you are going to get through this. Stars are guiding you towards greater, bigger and better future, Cancer. So there could be a departure of some sort from a difficult energy in your career. So you could be moving away from a bad situation. Some of you are leaving a job. Some of you have decided to put in your papers. And with the Tower energy, this has already happened. So surprise situation of a job loss could be happening, reshuffling could be happening, transfer could be happening, which you did not expect, some displacement, something has happened, and now you have decided to leave it behind and move towards your ninth cup. So basically from Eight of Cups, you will move to your ninth cup, and you have taken the path already. So departure is on the cards. In terms of your love or well-being, what I am saying is you are enough for yourself, you earn well, you have very cozy comfortable living style, your love situation is not dependent on anybody else. So there is a Nine of Pentacles and Three of Pentacles, very collaborative, team spirited energy in your close circle. So basically with your family, you might be having three more members, they are all in alliance. So all of you collaborate. There is going to be a very good living situation, cozy and happy situation that works with each of the members contribution, and it is very very good. So in this time period, they are saying that you can be more collaborative in terms of your love. Exchange your energies with others, not just money, but in terms of what you do for others, is physically what you do for others is important, rather than being in your own soul kind of energy. You got to deal with others, and you could be maybe you have gone through problems with them, but now you got to bring some kind of an equalization or some kind of energy of giving and receiving. That is what angels are saying. So for some of you, I am also seeing that a final situation in your love or marriage has happened, and now you are single and you are moving towards the new, and it is asking you to take help from others if required. So what is happening, overall summary of this reading is that you are getting over a bad situation in your life. With the 10 of swords, you have gone through total ending, a kind of ruin of some sort, whether in your physical, economic, material situation, or whether it is your love situation. You have gone through a lot. And with the devil, it was something which was very sticky. It was chaining you to a bad relationship, maybe it was chaining you to a bad, difficult job. So toxicity, difficulty, envy, jealousy of others, etc., has had put you in a defensive position. With the Nine of Wands, you are still defending yourself, but now you have the courage to move on, and you will be moving on from this energy. And with the Six of Wands, you are in this week, you are going to have some kind of victory over a bad situation in your life. So you are defeating what? You are defeating conflict, you are defeating envy and jealousy in this time period. Yes. So what is happening is, conflict and defeat was around you, deception and envy was around you, but now fertility is coming. So fertility means, this means the Empress. So fertility means that production of new situation. It could be birth of a child, it could be a new family, dynamics coming in your life. It could be, new partner, new motivation, new family. For some of you, it could be a new family coming together with your family. So it could be a new relationship with someone who has a family. So there is a possibility that this expansion of abundance is coming in your life, because you have decided to correct your situation from this conflict, defeat, envy, and some kind of deception around you. You will be growing, you will be attracting other people, you will be having good situation finally when you decide to leave something behind, because you were not giving up, but then something has to be given up, or something has to be reconciled in your life. So it is asking you to open your heart chakra. So opening your heart chakra means that I will love whoever will give me love, and that should be your approach. Balance this situation. If you are feeling dearth of love in your life, if you are doing too much for others and not getting anything in return, do not worry about it, because judgment is in the hands of the universe. You cannot judge. So keep giving what you can give. Improve your situation by letting go of something which is not working for you, but do not, produce hatred inside of you. That is what angels are saying. So open your heart regarding reconciliation, regarding forgiveness, and regarding self-care, and getting out of that defeatist, or defeatist mindset, or a fear mindset, or too much fear mongering in the mind. So with the Queen of Cups, you will be coming back to normalcy, you will be coming back to an acceptance in your life. This is happening because of the Judgment and the Magician. So there is, Mercury was in your 11th house, it was in a very good position in the house of Taurus, but now Mercury is going to enter Gemini in this time period by the May 25th. It is going to enter Gemini, which is your 12th house, and Saturn will enter Aries, that is your, on May 24th, Saturn will enter Aries, and that is going to affect your 10th house. So 10th house means your work situation. So when, and Sun is entering Gemini, that is your 12th house. So the 10th house entry of Saturn will give you some results in your work or career situation or partnership in work and in alliance in work. And in terms of your sun coming in your 12th house, that is also going to help you out with the other planets coming in the your 12th house. So 12th house will be heavy. It is going to give you a maybe not immediate results, but it will change your mindset because it is all about spirituality and thinking. So this is what I have for you, Cancer. If you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through any difficulty can contact me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked and pre-slotted. So decide and then contact me for a reading through the email ID, and keep watching this space Tarot Priestess 1313, which will bring you your weekly reading and your monthly reading. Bye bye.